Are you a fabricator who wants to make sure what you built matches what was designed? Well, with Trimble FieldLink and our X9 laser scanner, you can do that in the shop to millimeter accuracy. So here you can see I have the X9 hard case, but I have it designed actually going straight up. So what we can do is scan in the shop, do component setup to the orientation of how we're going to build it. So if you're doing a column or stairs, you may probably are going to build them on their side just because that's easier. But we can scan, set it up to whatever orientation it is, and run an inspection. So we can see here with the scale bar on the side where what we built for this case is off almost an inch where those latches are, and about over a quarter inch on the side, which we don't have modeled as being like chamfered. So we have a full video tutorial series showing you how to do a scan, a component setup, adding more scans to that to cover the entire object, and then run an inspection, which we then can export to share if there is deviations, or to document before it gets on that truck, goes out to site, and someone tells me, hey, your fabricated item doesn't fit. So this is a small component setup, but obviously this works over the large scale too. So stay tuned or reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions. And make sure before it does leave the shop, it matches what was designed, and you have documentation that it really does match what was designed. So if anyone comes back and tells you it's wrong, you have the evidence to not have to redo it or pay for new anchor bolts if it's going to tie into this. But yeah, reach out to your nearest building point representative or still watch the remaining of this playlist. Thanks.